Okay, what I'm going to do is do a cold start on this so you can see where the engine's at right now. It is 77 degrees on the exhaust headers. The head. It's cold. So I want you to see that how it starts with a cold start. I just pump it twice. Then it starts right up. The gauge on the temperature is 0. Oil pressure always goes up slow. I don't know why, it's just the original gauge. The tach is stuck at 3 right now. I don't know why. It worked fine and then it's stuck. So I don't feel like pulling a dash apart. Anyway, then if you want to start it again, you don't need any gas or anything. It just starts right up. That's the cold start.